Earning money online as a student can be a great way to gain financial independence and build valuable skills. Here are several ways for students to earn money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, there's a demand for your expertise. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge by offering online tutoring in subjects you excel at. Platforms like Check Tutors, Tutor.com, and Vizent connect students with tutors. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast about a topic you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or Patreon donations. Participate in online surveys and market research. Sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Windale Research to earn money or gift cards for sharing your opinions. Sell products online. Use platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy to sell items you no longer need, or consider dropshipping or print on demand for an e-commerce business. Remote internships. Look for remote internships in your field of study. Websites like internships.com and LinkedIn often have remote internship listings. Online content writing. Write articles or create content for websites, blogs, or businesses. Content platforms like Medium, HubPages, or TextBroker offer opportunities for writers. Remote data entry or virtual assistants. Apply for remote data entry or virtual assistant positions on job boards like Remote.co, FlexJobs, or Indeed. Online contests and competitions. Participate in online contests such as writing contests or design competitions with cash prizes. Online marketplaces. Sell digital products like templates, ebooks, or printables on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Participate in gig economy jobs. Deliver food or packages as a gig worker for services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex.